Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. So our first mixed number is 3 3/4. I'm going to go through step by step how to convert that to an improper fraction. So step one, you look at the mixed number, the whole number and the fraction. Whatever the denominator is in our mixed number, that's going to stay the same when we convert it to an improper fraction. So we have 3 3/4. 4 is the denominator. 4 is going to be the denominator in our answer. Now we have two steps remaining. Step one, we multiply our whole number times our denominator. So we multiply 3 times 4, and then step two, we add our numerator. So I'm actually going to show all of my work here and do all this out. But step one, we multiply 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Step two, we add our numerator. 12 plus 3 equals 15. So 15 is going to be our numerator in our improper fraction. 3 3/4 converted into an improper fraction equals 15/4. All right, so the next one, I'm just going to do the steps simple without drawing it all out. Let me know in the chat if you want me to continue to draw everything out, or if it's simpler just to do the steps up top. Well, you'll see what I mean. All right, next example. Five and 1/2. We have to convert that to an improper fraction. So step one, we copy over our denominator. That stays the same. Step two, we multiply our denominator times our whole number, and then we add our numerator. So 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. So 5 1/2 converted into an improper fraction is 11 seconds, 11 or 11 over 2. All right, next example problem. 6 and 4/9. 6 and 4/9, we got to convert that into an improper fraction. Step one, we copy over our denominator. Steps 2 and 3, we multiply our denominator times our whole number, and then we add our numerator. So 9 times 6 equals 54. 54 plus 4 equals 58. So 6 and 4/9 converted into an improper fraction is 58/9. Shout out to everybody tuning in. I am glad you're here. Please hit the like button. I appreciate you. Five and 7/10. Got to convert that into an improper fraction. So step one, we copy over our denominator. Steps 2 and 3, you multiply the denominator times the whole number, and then you add the numerator. So 10 times 5 equals 50. This one I'll actually write out. 5 times 10 equals 50. Then we have to add our numerator. 50 plus 7 equals 57. So 5 and 7/10 converted into an improper fraction would be 57/10. All right, going to do a few more examples. 8 and 1/3. So we copy over our denominator. And then step 1, we multiply our whole number and our denominator. 8 times 3 equals 24. Step 2, we add our numerator. 24 plus 1 equals 25. So 25 will be our numerator for the improper fraction. So 8 1/3, when converted into an improper fraction, equals 25 thirds. All right, moving on to the next example. Shout out to everybody tuning in again. Please hit the like button. I appreciate you being here. What am I doing? All right, know what that works. 8 4/5, converting that into an improper fraction. So step 1, the denominator stays the same. We copy that over. Next, we multiply the denominator times the whole number, and we add the numerator. Eight times 5 equals 40. 40 plus 4 equals 44. So we have our answer. 8 4/5 converted into an improper fraction equals 44/5. Moving on, going to do one more example. 9 1/5, we got to convert that into an improper fraction. So step 1, we copy over our denominator, multiply our denominator times our whole number, and then we add our numerator to our answer. So 5 times 9 equals 45. 45 plus 1 equals 46. For those that want to see it written out, 9 times 5 equals 45. 45 plus 1, 46. And 9 1/5 converted into an improper fraction equals 46/5. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I'll do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.